Odoo is one of those business software names that many people hear but very few truly understand. People say it is very powerful, while others say it is too complex and confusing. If you are a small business owner, startup founder, freelancer, or even someone who is planning to grow a company, you might be thinking, is Odoo really worth to using? Or is it just too much work? In this video, I will explain Odoo in a very simple way, what it actually does, why people say it is complex, and whether it is the right choice for your business or not. Odoo is an all-in-one business management software. Instead of using many different tools for sales, accounting, inventory, HR, website, and customer management, Odoo tries to put everything inside one system. That is why many companies are interested in it. But at the same time, this is also the reason why many people feel confused when they first start using Odoo. So welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you choosing the right tools without stress or confusion. In today's video, we will talk about Odoo, how it works, who should use it, and whether the complexity is actually worth or not. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link in the description if you want to check Odoo for yourself. By using the description link, any available free plan or special pricing that will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. First of all, let me explain what Odoo actually is. Basically, Odoo is like a big box where you can add different apps for your business. You can start with only one app like sales or the invoicing, and later you can add more apps like accounting, inventory, CRM, HR, or even a full website and online store. Everything stays connected, so your sales data talks to each other in your inventory, and your accounting talks to your invoices, and your team works inside one system. This sounds very good, and honestly, it really is powerful. But here comes the complexity part. Odoo gives you many options, many settings, and many ways to do the same thing. For beginners, this can feel overwhelming. So when you open Odoo for the first time, you might not know where to click, what to set up first, or how things are connected. This is why many people say Odoo is very complex. Another reason Odoo feels complex is customization. Odoo is very flexible. You can change the workflows, you can add custom fields, automate tasks, and even you can build custom modules. For big business or growing companies, this is very amazing. But for small teams or solo business owners, this too much flexibility can feel like extra work. Sometimes you just want things to work without touching many things. Now let's talk about the pricing in a very simple way. Odoo offers a free option if you use only one app. This is good for testing or very small needs. But when you want more apps, you need to pay for per user. The price increases as your team grows. Also, if you need customization or help with the startup, you may need a developer or Odoo partner, which adds extra cost. So Odoo itself is not always expensive, but the setup and learning time can cost money and effort. Now the big question is Odoo worth the complexity? The honest answer depends on your business type. If you run a growing business, manufacturing company, or wholesaling business, or a company that needs inventory, accounting, sales, and operations all connected, Odoo can be a very strong choice. Once set up properly, it can replace many tools and save money in the long run. But if you are a freelancer, very small business owner, or someone who wants something very simple and fast, Odoo may feel too heavy. In that case, simpler tools with fewer features that might be better for you. So in my opinion, Odoo is powerful, flexible, and scalable, but it is not plug and play for everyone. So if you are ready to learn or you have the plans to grow and want everything in one system, Odoo can be worth it. If you want something that is very easy with zero learning curve, you may struggle with it. So that's it for today's video. If this review helped you to understand Odoo better, give this video a like, and if you want more simple and honest software reviews like this, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.